In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin using bank transfer on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, log in using your credentials or your biometric. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage, from which if you wish to buy Bitcoin using your bank, then if you scroll down from the homepage, you will find a bank transfer option underneath Buy Bitcoin. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you can choose from your list of exchanges that are available. Once you choose your desired exchange, you will be asked to enter the desired amount that you wish to spend on buying your Bitcoin, or you can also enter the number of Bitcoin that you wish. After entering this detail, proceed forward and you will be asked to enter your bank account information. After entering your information, such as your account name and your account number, as well as your password, your identity will be verified. Once you have made the transaction and verified your identity, the Bitcoin will be added onto your wallet right away, and you will be able to see it underneath your total balance. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Bitcoin using your bank account on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.